ready for you to receive business, views, and all the amazing things. Hey friends, Jill here from The Market Vibe, and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications on our future videos. Today, we're finally starting our Instagram series, and I know you guys have been asking for this for a long time, so I'm super excited to dive in. Today, we're going to be doing Instagram 101, where I'm going to be diving in on how you can set your account up for success. Now, if you already have an account, that is totally okay, because you can use this as an audit and go through your account step by step to see if it's fully optimized. So with that, let's get started. First, you want to set up your two-step authentication factor. This is really important because we know so many people recently who have gotten their Instagrams hacked and taken hostage, and it's really difficult to get it back. So make sure you set that up with a phone number that you're going to be frequently using, just in case that happens. Better safe than sorry. Next, you're going to want to choose your name. This is really important that you make this super simple, concise, and to the point. Try and avoid any numbers, special characters, underscores, any things like that, because then it makes it super difficult for people to search you. Just saying, like, if you met somebody in real life and you're like, oh, my Instagram name is this underscore, it's gonna be really difficult for them to find, and they'll probably bail when they can't find it on the first try. So keep that simple. Next is gonna be what's your bolded name. And a lot of people will choose their actual name to put in there, but this is honestly the only part of SEO that is available on the app. This is the only part that's actually searchable. So you're gonna wanna put something in there that is related to your niche. So for us, we have something like digital marketing, social media, things like that. Next is your profile photo. Now, if you're going for more of a public figure, or you are the person that's actually delivering services for your business, you're gonna wanna have a picture of you, preferably of you smiling with your teeth, because people actually tend to trust people who can see their teeth, which I know is crazy. So putting up a photo that's friendly and welcoming of you. If you have a brand that's more product-based business, then I would definitely go with your logo or something like that. Next, it's time to check out your bio and make sure it's fully optimized. This is where people are gonna get the first information about you when they come to your actual page. So you really wanna put things like who you are, what you do, who you help, and then you wanna have a good call to action for them to click in the link below. Why are they gonna click there? You're gonna wanna have something that's gonna entice them to click that link. Next is the link. You really want that link to be something that they're gonna wanna find right away. I would personally put a link to your website or a link to one thing. If you wanna do something like a beacons or a milkshake or a link tree, I wouldn't do any more than 4 links, because it could be really confusing for somebody trying to find whatever they're looking for, and they have to scroll forever to find the correct link. So 4 links max when it comes to a link tree. Next, if you are a product-based business, you definitely wanna turn on those shoppable links that you can tag in photos. This has been a game changer, especially because Instagram wants to become more of a shopping platform and profile. So you want to make it really easy for people. If they come across your photo or video, tag the photo or with the product that's being used, so that it's really easy for them to shop it. Next, you want to create highlights. And this is where you can really educate people about your brand, about your page, or anything that you're really promoting on this page, whether it's getting to know you or your business. So you want to have things like an about me, frequently asked questions. If you do a Q&A where you're answering questions about your products or services, that's a great highlight to have. Any kind of reviews or testimonials, and then having up to 2 different niche specific ones. So for us, we have ones that are social media and marketing. So if you have, say, a skincare line, it might be smart to have like a daily routine and a nightly routine, something that makes sense in regards to your brand. Then finally, you want to set up a content plan for your page. This is probably the biggest mistake that we've seen people make, is that they post to Instagram, but they have no plan behind it. So figure out what kind of plan you want to be doing with your content. So this could be what type of content you're going to be posting, when you're going to be posting it, the frequency, which features you're going to be using on Instagram, and making sure that you are consistent with it. So if you can't do something as aggressive as posting every day, maybe say you're going to do 2 posts a week and 1 reel a week, but really stick to it. Don't give that up. Just to give you context, we've been posting on Instagram Monday through Friday consistently for about 2 years now. So knowing that, that's really built up our profile. The algorithm knows exactly what we're doing because it's going to be learning your moves and what you do. It's really important that you set it up consistently and then you can add on to it from there. Now, finally, make sure you're knowing what type of content you want to create. And we call this the 4 E's of content, which are entertaining, engaging, emotional, and educational. Now, if you want a more in-depth explanation of these, we'll pop a card in here and you can go watch the video where Michael breaks down the 4 E's of content that we've noticed that go viral the most, that people resonate the most with, and are gonna get the most traction on your profile. And that's it. So I would definitely save this video for later and do a full audit on your Instagram page just to make sure that it's fully optimized and ready to go and ready for you to receive business, views, and all the amazing things. Drop any questions you have below regarding Instagram. If we left anything out, we'd be happy to answer them. And we will see you next time for another Instagram video. Bye, friends.